Hi guys, day 25 on the Bibbulmun Track, and we are just leaving Donnelly River Village where we stayed for the night. It was a nice place. It's like holiday resort, something like that, with some cottages. It's yeah, we had a nice little place where we could make fire last night to warm us up, and yeah, I wouldn't stay there for too long, but it was nice for one night. And then do laundry, get our resupply box, shower, and we are all relaxed to go back on trail now. This stretch is gonna be a bit tough because it's 5 days again, and the rain is coming. Right now it's sunny and we have 15 kilometers today, so to the next shelter, so it's not too bad. So we are trying to ditch the rain for today, and we started, it's like 8 in the morning now. But yeah, tomorrow is like 24 kilometers and it's gonna rain quite some, so yeah, we cannot wait to be in the next town already. But it's part of the trail, so here we go. Hi guys, day 26 on the Bibbulmun Track, and we just left the shelter. It's 7 and it's raining. Yesterday we got completely soaked. It was only 16 kilometers flat, but I mean my clothes are still soaked this morning, even though we had a fire last night somehow. Thanks to David, our fire starter. So today we are supposed to hike 24 kilometers, and a storm is coming this morning with thunder and lightning, a huge wind. So we are gonna try to find another plan, and there is a road in 10 kilometers, so we are gonna try to hitch a ride from there to go to Manjimup. It's not a town on trail, but it's the closest town we can go, and I think from there we can take a bus to go to Pemberton, the next town we are supposed to hike to, and skip the part because it's just too much rain. And tomorrow we are supposed to cross a river which is completely flooded, and yeah, so with Romy it's too difficult when it's raining like that. So wish us luck and we'll keep you posted. See ya! Hey guys! So we were really lucky and we got a ride earlier today from the road after hiking 12 kilometers in the rain and getting soaked to the bone. We got a ride from a nice couple from Perth, Catherine and Mark, and their dog Sisi. We first wanted to go to Manjimup, yeah, Manjimup, and try to get a bus from there to Pemberton tomorrow, but they were going to Pemberton anyway, so we are already in Pemberton and we are gonna stay here for tonight because it's pouring rain all day and we are tired so we need some rest. So we spent the afternoon in the room trying to dry our stuff, chilling, and now we go to the supermarket before it closes to get some food and have a nice relaxing evening. See you! Hi guys, day 27 on the Bibbulmun Track, and today it's a 0 day. We are currently in Pemberton, so we are past the halfway point, but unfortunately we didn't see it because we had to skip part of the trail, but that's okay. We just want to relax today and get out of the rain. It's raining on and off, big showers, so yeah, that's the plan. See you!